by SwitchBlade. He going 10-7, man, for the neighbor's sake. He going to shut him down for the neighbor's sake. Hello there, SwitchBlade. You enjoy the day. Bye, Possum Lake. Mod Squad gone. All by yourself, Possum Lake, all by yourself. You want it all by yourself, Possum Lake. Mod Squad, Mobile gone now. He said ain't no possum in Wolf Lake. He said ain't no possum in Wolf Lake. Hey, he said ain't no possum in Wolf Lake. Mod Squad, Honolulu, bye-bye-bye. Right back there. Okay, you take care of one of the James boys. You guys have a good one. Mod Squad, Mobile, Honolulu. We'll be reading this mail now. Mod Squad, Mobile gone. Aloha. Your boy was on the mall there. Your boy was on the mall. He got rough in there. Mod Squad, Honolulu. Bye-bye-bye. You're going to do some damage on the wolf. You're going to do some damage to the wolf. That's what you're saying there. Hello, around Possum Lake. Mod Squad gone now. And Iron Horse, take care. Aloha. Catch you later as you go 10-7. Catch you later as you go 10-7 now. Mod Squad Mobile. Mod Squad Mobile. Take care, Possum Lake as you go 10-7. Mod Squad gone.